Pusang Ina Nyo, welcome back to my channel. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Divisoria at napadaan tayo sa isang vending machine. So, it's called Lucky Box. Ayan siya. So, we're going to try and let's see kung anong makukuha natin. Try lang, okay? Machine, it accepts 50, 100, and 200. 50 pesos, play 1 time, get 1 gift. 100 pesos, play 2 times, get 2 gifts. And then 200, play 4 times, get 4 gifts. So we're going to try it out. Tapos, gastos tayo 100. Tingnan natin kung ano ang makukuha natin. And before ko ilusot tong money, if it's your first time to visit my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay? So yun, click nyo. So let's try.
Few moments later.
Okay, first box. Second box. So, gumastos tayo ng 100 pesos for that. Which is... Anyway, buti lang maganda yung box. So guys, ayun na nga. Yun yung mga napulot or nakita natin or nakuha natin sa mga surprise, sa mga lucky box. Na-surprise talaga ako. Hindi ko ina-expect. Well, ina-expect ko na hindi maganda yung makukuha ko. Pero, I think ang binabayaran natin doon is yung feeling na, yung excitement kung anong makukuha mo. Yung iba, may nakuha mga notebooks, yung iba towels. Unfortunately for me, nakuha ko, well, kailangan ko na nail cutter. So, sige, gamitin ko yon. And then, yung isa is yo-yo. So, nagbayad tayo ng 100 for that, which is fine naman, na ang binayaran natin doon is yung fun sa pagbukas ng mga boxes. Anyway, you can find the Lucky Box here in Tutuban Center. Nasa food court, second floor ng food court ng Tutuban Center. Hindi ko sure kung meron sa ibang mall, pero first time ko nakita tong Lucky Box. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video for today. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.